Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide a page in Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. If you're like me and you have multiple websites on your Wix account, you will be landing on this page. First, click on Select and Edit Site. If you have only a single website on your page, you will be directly landed on this page. Now click on Edit Site. To hide a page on Wix, it's simple. Click on your menu just like that. Select Manage Menu. A new site panel opens up. Go to Site Menu. And let's say that I want to hide this notifications page. All I need to do, click on these three dots next to your preferred page or desired page and click on Hide from Menu. Now your site visitors won't be able to access your page unless you link to this page from another place. Don't forget to hit the Publish button to not lose your editing. If you want to also hide this page from search engines in order to not be indexed and be accessible from search engines results, all you need to do is to click on the menu again. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. What to do is to click on the menu again, click on menu or manage menu, go to site menu and select a page on your website and not a link. In case a link you don't see SEO options, for this project it's a page, it's an existing page on my website, so I will be able to see SEO basics. Click on it, a new window opens up, and make sure to uncheck this option next to let search engine index this page. With this state, search engines won't be able to index this project's page. And this is how to hide a page on Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.